If you live in Maryland, are your smoke detectors up to date, or do they break the law? On January 1st of 2018, Maryland enacted a new smoke detector law, and most people aren't aware of it until they go to buy or sell a house. Stay tuned and watch to the end because I'm going to share with you how you can tell if your smoke detectors are in compliance with the law or whether they need to be replaced. Hi, I'm Melissa Spittel, a local real estate expert with Coldwell Residential Brokerage, serving Carroll County and the surrounding areas. Let's talk about the Maryland smoke detector law and the two types of smoke detectors. Do you have any hardwired smoke detectors in your house? If you do, we're going to talk about those first. Hardwired smoke detectors must be less than 10 years old and have a hush button. The hush button is that button you push to silence it when it activates accidentally, like when you're grilling outside and the smoke comes into your house and it activates accidentally. Do you have any smoke detectors in your house that aren't hardwired? Let's talk about those. Smoke detectors in your house that have replaceable batteries, well, they're against the law. It's time to throw them in the trash. Battery-powered smoke detectors must be sealed, tamper-resistant units, and have a hush button. The battery is sealed in these units and cannot be removed. What happens if you have both types of smoke detectors? The hardwired can only be replaced with new hardwired smoke detectors. You cannot swap them out for the ones that are battery-powered. Battery-powered smoke detectors can be swapped out with new ones that are also battery-powered. It's okay to have both types as long as they are less than 10 years old and have a hush button. And finally, where should smoke detectors be located according to the Maryland smoke detector law? You need one on each level of your house, including the basement. If your house was built before July 1st, 2013, one smoke detector must be installed in the hallway outside the bedrooms. If your house was built after July 1st, 2013, there must be a smoke detector in every bedroom and also in every hallway outside the bedrooms. And if you'd like more information regarding the law, be sure to check out the link that I've provided in the description box.